Today we learn how to convert numbers into words in Excel. Let's start.
To apply this VBA code to the VBA editor, we need to use the inbuilt VBA editor which is given in the Excel of the MS Office package. To enable the developer option in Excel first, we have to go to Options menu in the File tab. After opening the Options menu, choose Customize ribbon, and from left section find Developer and click Add to add it to the right section, if not added. After adding the developer you can find it in right section and as well as in Excel's active window menu tab. After enabling developer option, we learn how to apply VBA code in VBA editor. To apply VBA code first we click on developer tab. Go to Visual Basic and click on where we want to apply VBA code. For example in active sheet or in whole workbook. To apply as per your requirement, but most of the time I apply any VBA code in my active spreadsheet. You need to select it. Right click on it. Go to Insert and Module. In Editor window, you can write the code if in your mind or you can copy and paste it from your drive. After pasting or writing the code, you need to close the editor window from here, and before using the code we will save that file as Excel macro enabled workbook whose extension name is .xlsm. You can give any name to that file. We can use Excel macro enabled workbook files in future without applying code again. If you don't save the file as macro enabled we will have to apply the same code and repeat that process again. Most of the time we set formula names according to our convenience. So here I tell you how to change the name of your applicable formula by editing VBA code in a few places. So how to open your VBA code in the VBA code editor, you already know it. Therefore we will start from here. In VBA code, the name of the formula decides from here. And to run the code properly we have to make change the name from here as well as from every line if it has a name like that. You can open the VBA code editor by pressing Alt plus F11. To make changes first open your VBA code in the editor window. First find out what name you want to change. Copy or remember it. Press Ctrl plus A to select the whole code and press the key combination of Ctrl plus H. Now you see a pop-up window will open. In a blank space followed by, find what paste text you copied. And in a blank space followed by, replace with. Type text you want to use in formula editor or in the desired cell. Press replace all. After making all changes close the editor window and save the worksheet. In the end, I will show how to use that VBA code. Go to the cell where you want the required answer and press equals from the keyboard and type the formula name. In my case formula name is number to words. So I type number to words. As you can see the formula name appeared. Now select the formula using the arrow keys and press the tab key from the keyboard. As you can see my formula is selected with the parenthesis open. Inside the open parenthesis select the cell which you want to convert into words, using arrow keys or mouse. Press Shift plus 0 to close the parenthesis and press Enter. Now the amount in number is converted into words. To apply the same formula in the rest cells, drag the formula cell or double-click the same.
Thanks for watching.